What is going on, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here again, and welcome back to another property tour episode. Today's tour takes us back to the One Miami condominium, which is located in downtown Miami, right where the river meets the bay. So you already know that the water views from this 3-bedroom condo are going to be absolutely phenomenal. So quick spec sheet on this property before we get started on today's tour. As I mentioned earlier, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo just shy of 1,800 square feet and has been completely renovated from top to bottom and comes equipped with an expansive balcony to take in those sweeping views of Biscayne Bay. This rental in particular is available fully furnished and can be yours for just $8,000 per month. So let's get started with today's tour. And as always, like, subscribe, comment, and click that notification bell to be notified of my weekly property tour videos. And of course, to help support the growth of my channel. A big thank you to those of you who have already subscribed. And with that being said, let's get started. Enjoy. Thank you for making it this far. Remember that if you'd like to continue to see more Miami real estate property tour videos, you can always click on the playlist or any of the videos that are going to pop here on screen. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and ring that notification bell to be notified of my weekly property tour and Miami real estate content. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next week. Take care and God bless.